Spiders, terrifying insects out to kill you? Or nature's pest control, doing my job for me? Kevin the Eco Man here. Today I'm going to show you how to assess how bad your spider infestation is. And then I'm going to show you an eco-friendly way to treat your spider infestation. Spiders are such a hot button issue because of the phobia and the appearance that they have. The strange markings, the bright colors, the really big fangs, they all will have those. And just the look of some of them are creepy.
Hey, who are you calling a creep?
I believe people are scared of spiders because of the deadly ones that they hear about.
A potentially deadly spider crawls into a bag of grapes while at the grocery store.
And then the phobia that people have from the bites, they can cause a lot of damage. I've been working in pest control for 30 years and have never been bitten by a spider simply because knowing their habits and not reaching into things, dark, quiet areas, hardly touched, never do that. Obvious signs that you have spiders are, of course, the visible webs. Spiders are fairly common in the home, but in low numbers. A window's a really good place to find spiders. This is one of the primary areas they're going to be at. And the reason being is they like to set up their webs here so they can catch small little bugs trying to come through the sliders of the window. Some may wonder why we're treating these areas because they're creating a natural line of defense against other invaders. We treat this area because it cuts down on all of them being able to get in there. Plus, we can't forget about that spiders still bite. Based on what I've seen so far, there doesn't seem to be much activity indoors. But we're going to head out to the garage because that's a primary area where they like to hang out at. To take care of them, we're going to use our Webster broom. This pole extends out to about 18 to 20 feet. So you can get up really high, especially up in your garage or all the way up to the second floor in your house to get those high spider webs that might be hard to reach. It's primarily used with these nice sturdy bristles to knock down plenty of spider webs, but guess what it can also knock down? The wasp nests you're seeing over your door. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of these with my trusty broom. All right, so I finished my assessment of the house, and what I've learned is that it's time to go ahead and start treating the exterior now. We're gonna get our B&G, and we're gonna apply foundation treatment around all those crucial areas.
We'll finish up our foundation treatment and get any remaining windows as well.
Another satisfied customer. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like and subscribe.
Do you need the Eco Man's help? Book today by clicking the link in the description.